Everyone thinks going viral with Whop clips is luck, but it's not. There's an actual formula behind why some clips blow up and others flop, and once you understand it, you can repeat it over and over again. I've had multiple viral videos using this exact method, and today I'm giving you the full formula. From how to edit your clips, how to warm up your account, what platforms want, posting schedules, titles, tags, everything. Let's start with the foundation, quality. If your clip doesn't look clean, it doesn't matter how good the content is, people will scroll. Your clips need to be high quality, color graded and super clean. I'm talking sharp visuals, smooth transitions and zero lag. Because the truth is, when people are scrolling, they're not giving you a chance. They're judging your video instantly, based on how it looks. And subtitles. Subtitles are everything. They can make or break your video. Your subtitles need to be perfectly timed and easy to read. Not too big, not too small, and they need to flow with the actual conversation. When the subtitles feel like they're moving with the person talking, people stay watching. They don't even realize why, but it feels professional. Bad subtitles instantly kill retention. Too flashy, too small, delayed, or out of sync, it just looks lazy. Clean, readable subtitles that pop at the right time, that's what keeps eyes glued to the screen. Now, when it comes to editing, I usually go with a 1:1 ratio for my clips. It's the perfect square format that performs well across every platform: Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Above the frame, I'll add clean text. Just one simple line that explains exactly what the video is about. This is your instant context line. It's the "why should I care" moment. Because remember, when people are scrolling, they're seeing dozens of videos. That one top line sentence, for example, "This is how he made 10,000 in 1 week," or "This is the clip that changed everything," instantly gives viewers a reason to stop. But again, it all has to look perfect. If your video looks like every other low-effort clip out there, it's not going viral. Everything has to be intentional. The font, the color, the lighting, the flow. If one piece is off, it breaks the whole feel of the clip. Next up, flow. This is what separates the random posts from the viral ones. The length of your video doesn't matter. I've had 10-second clips blow up, and I've had full minute clips do the same. What matters is how the story flows. If your original video is 20 minutes long, your job is to cut that down into a tight, fast-paced short that feels natural and keeps attention all the way through. You want it to feel like it's pulling the viewer along. No slow parts, no awkward pauses, just smooth storytelling. Every second should add something, whether it's emotion, meaning, or curiosity. And the most important part of that flow is the hook. You have to grab attention in the first 1 or 2 seconds. If you don't, it's over. Start with the main moment, the most shocking or interesting part. Don't build up to it, open with it. Once you got their attention, you build a story behind it. That's the formula. Hook, story, payoff. If your video has those 3 things, it's got viral potential. Now, let's talk about the invisible stuff that makes your video feel good. Music and pacing. Good background music changes everything. It adds emotion, tension, or energy, whatever your clip needs. The goal is to make it feel seamless. The music should enhance the mood, not distract from it. Sync your cuts, captions, and even camera zooms to the beat. That's what gives your video that professional rhythm that people can't stop watching. And listen, this part's important. Your videos need to be perfected. If they're not perfect, they're not going viral. You're competing against thousands of other clips every day. So if your clip looks too similar to everything else, or if it's slightly off, the algorithm just skips it. Color grading, flow, captions, cropping, music, everything needs to work together. When a clip feels polished and smooth, people don't even think. They just keep watching. That's the goal. Now here's something most people don't talk about. The warm-up phase. Before you even start posting, you got to warm up your account. If you skip this part, your content won't get pushed properly. Let's break it down platform by platform. Instagram. This one's the most sensitive. You got to warm it up carefully. Usually it takes about 5 days. Here's exactly what you do. Like a few posts each day in your niche, follow a couple of relevant accounts, scroll only in your niche for about 20 minutes, twice a day. This tells Instagram's algorithm who your audience is, and what content you're interested in. So when you start posting, Instagram knows who to show your videos to. TikTok. Pretty much the same strategy. Like, follow and scroll. YouTube. From my personal experience, warming up isn't really necessary here. YouTube can push a clip from a completely new account. If the video is good, it will find viewers. I'll go deeper into the warm-up process in another video. But trust me, warming up your account the right way changes everything. Let's talk about how often you should post. This is another thing people get wrong all the time. For YouTube, stick to 1 post per day. YouTube's algorithm takes time to test your videos. It analyzes watch time, engagement, and retention before deciding how far to push it. If you spam upload, it can actually hurt you. So keep it to 1 strong post a day. But for Instagram and TikTok, post as much as you can. These platforms love consistency and volume. You can easily post 3 times per day on each. Both TikTok and Instagram reward creators who keep showing up. It tells the system you're active and keeps you in people's feeds. And don't worry about overposting. As long as each clip is quality, the platforms will love it. Alright, next is titles and tags. Your title should be short and direct. Don't overthink it. Then use about 5 of the most relevant tags for your niche. That's the sweet spot. It helps the algorithm understand your content without flagging it as spammy. So keep it clean and relevant. I will show you an example on the screen right now. Here's the truth. Most people fail at clipping not because their videos are bad, but because they don't treat it like a system. Every step matters. From the way you warm up your account, to the captions, to the ratio, to the exact second you hook the viewer. It's not luck, it's precision. You have to make your videos perfect before posting. If they feel rushed, unpolished, or generic, they won't stand out. But when you take the time to refine everything, the pacing, colors, captions, music, posting schedule, hashtags, it all stacks together. That's when you start seeing consistent virality. So yeah, that's the real secret formula behind viral Whop clips. It's a full process. High quality video, clean subtitles, perfect flow, emotional storytelling, good music, warmed up accounts, smart posting schedules, and titles that actually make sense. Do all that and I promise, your clips will start performing better than ever. If you want me to make a part 2, where I go in depth on the warm-up formula for each platform, comment below and I'll drop that next. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next one.